Okay guys, punta na kami kay Tita Beth. We're gonna drop off Flappy. Kinain niya pa da? Hindi. Hindi.
Okay lang kayo dyan?
Mga yung paa mo, okay lang? Magpangan tabi mo sino.
Hey guys. Let's get out. Oh shit. Sarap bukas ko. Left doon daw, di ba?
Yes.
Okay. Ang kwento ko man sa kanya. Pakilala kayo.
Ay, si 30, Ay, si Tio, Grandma, Jenny, Grandma, Melly. We're going to see world to see orca and penguins. 30, are you excited to see orca and penguins? Yeah, and the dolphins? Yes? You're gonna be with Kuya Jacob and Grandma. Yeah. Paa.
Pagtaas dito ah.
Not this light, but the second light, turn left. Turn right. Yung routes dati, turn right.
Tawagan mo na si Auntie Beth. Sabi mo magpapagas tayo sa may Santa Ana na Costco. Para mga heads up lang sila. Kasi baka magpapagas.
Kapag pa na mata. Kapag pa ng tasakan.
Yeah. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.
Dinosaurs have great big feet that stomp, stomp, stomp.
Hello, Auntie. Asan din kami ng Auntie? We're turning on the light.
Teeth that chomp, chomp, chomp. Stomp,
Oh my God.
stomp,
Babe, turn right.
chomp, chomp.
Okay, okay, we'll be there.
Stomp, stomp, and a chomp, chomp, chomp. Stomposaurus, stomp, stomp. Chomposaurus, chomp, chomp. I'm a saurus, stomp, stomp. You're a saurus, chomp, chomp. Dinosaurs have great big claws that crunch, crunch, crunch. Dinosaurs
Dati
have
nakasaksak
great
mo
big
yung
jaws that
phone mo.
munch, munch, munch.
Further Wi-Fi.
Crunch, 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 and a munch, munch, munch. Crunch, 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 and a munch, munch, munch. Crunchosaurus, crunch, crunch, munchosaurus, munch, munch. I'm a saurus, crunch, crunch. You're a saurus, munch, munch. Stomping and a chomping, crunching and a munching. Stomping and a
Yung parang
chomping,
small screen pa yun.
crunching and a munching.
Yung nakatago yung...
Stomposaurus, stomp, stomp, chomposaurus, chomp,
Oh yeah,
chomp.
with the stoplight.
Crunchosaurus, crunch, crunch, munchosaurus,
that's the
munch,
point.
munch. I'm a saurus, stomp, stomp. You're a saurus, chomp, chomp. We're a saurus, crunch, crunch. Dinosaurs, munch, munch. Dinosaurs have great big feet that stomp, stomp, stomp.
Not this one, huh?
No,
Dinosaurs
the
have
light.
great big teeth that chomp, chomp, chomp. Dinosaurs.
At the light, turn left onto East Mardi Gras Avenue, then turn left onto North Plantation Place.
Dinosaurs have great big feet that stomp, stomp, stomp. Dinosaurs have great big teeth that chomp,
Take the next
chomp,
left onto
chomp.
North Plantation Place,
Stop,
then you will
stop,
arrive at your
stop.
destination.
munch, munch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. And a munch, munch, munch. Crunchosaurus, crunch, crunch. Munchosaurus, munch, munch. Dinosaurus, crunch, crunch.
Mom, she's just kidding.
Chomping, crunching and a munching. Chomposaurus, stomp, stomp. Chomposaurus, chomp, chomp. Crunchosaurus, crunch, crunch. Munchosaurus, munch, munch. Dinosaurus, stomp, stomp.
Sabi kami.
Yung gamot ko kayo.
Makanya na.
Hi, Uncle. Good morning.
Beth, you have Fluffy? Dito kami kay Tita Beth. Haha. Hello. Good morning. Tagal mo diaper, Beth. Ay, who are you? Pacquiao! Pacquiao, Pacquiao now!
Tagal mo naman yung jacket nito. Nung mainit sa kasama. Yeah. So where are we gonna leave Pacquiao? Where do they stay? Here? I thought you have
Doggy door?
like a door. You can close it and you can see the kitchen.
And those are
Where's the doggy door? Where? There's a doggy door? Oh.
Fluffy, it's time to pee.
Okay, where are you?
Jake, let's show Fluffy outside. Is it here, Uncle Ron? Is it here? Oh, there you go. Oh, look at that. Hi, Pacquiao. Oh, you can have Fluffy all day, okay? You can have Fluffy all day. This is where you go. Fluffy, oh. Oh, jump. See? You go outside. Practice make perfect. Oh. Yeah. He's still trying to see the place.
He's shivering.
Hmm?
Look at he's shivering.
He's what?
He's shivering.
I know. That's what he do if he's like new to the place. He's just shivering. How cold? Ate,
Oh. Tignan mo daw yung mga plants nila.
nasa may daan?
Wala, nakasarado eh.
Dito, ilukat mo dito.
Tignan mo, saan na papakita na pa yung hindi ko ah.
Maka-record tayo ah.
Oh.
Wala kaming carrot, sorry.
Para may ebidensya.
Walang kasi ang nag-ano eh.
Okay.
Oh, yan na yung malunggay na maganda.
Ah, nasa likod tayo. Okay.
Ito yung parda no, ang daming bunga.
Ay, ito yung parda no, Madar.
Parda.
Oh.
Kinainan mo kung pinag...
Si Maya, oh, sarap na sarap.
Oo nga, ano may bunga.
Parda. Patane, langka, oh. Sile. Patane, ito
Ikot kami para makita
Dito,
nila
dito,
yung
dito.
Naka-video kayo.
Yung damit ni Fluffy, lagay mo muna dyan. Happy ka man. Ang daming talbos. Wow.
Kung may time lang si Jun, aanuhin niya ito.
Ano to, madam? Ah, saluyot.
Saluyot.
Look at that, guys. Explain mo, madam, kasi.
Yan, saluyot.
Oh, saluyot. Oh.
Ampalaya.
Ang palaya, kakapit na.
Kapit na, ito yung talong. Talong na, oh.
Ang daming talong.
Sitaw. Yung talong, ang dami, oh.
Wow.
O ngayon, ako, Diyos ko, Lord. Okra, doon.
Talong. Oh, may gabi yun sa dulo.
Gabi dun sa
May gabi sa dulo. Oh. Ang daming talong. Oh.
Ang gaganda, oh.
Wow.
Nagumunga ang mga sili nila, oh. Oh.
Ano to, madar? Munggo?
Patani, yan
Ah,
ang
patani.
oh.
Patani.
Yung saging, oh.
May saging pa tumubo.
Yung
may
tinanim
sili
namin,
doon.
yung tinanim namin yun. Tinanim ko yun nung bago. Ay, ang daming pakalakat doon. Binili namin yun.
Ang bayabas.
Bayabas, dapat itanim nila yan.
Halupa. Para ano?
Yung sili, oh. Ang ganda. Daming ganyan.
Dami.
Ganda yung tanong nila, oh. Pag
Yung sa likod.
wala kasing time si Ate Opi na ano, aalis yung mga damo para lumaki yung
Kaya nga eh.
Mhm.
Pag alisin yung damo yun, tataba bigla.
Mm-mm.
Ay, hindi. Sana inano nila ano, kinalbo. Para mataniman.
Doon, eh. Dapat nga alis mo na yan.
Ititrim lang yan.
Oh, ang laki na ito, ang lit pa noon.
Ano naman yan eh, di ba? Wala naman yan.
Ito, ano lang, sabi lang yan.
Kahoy lang. Pwede nang putulin yan. Alright guys. Dami na ng gulay. Tinanim daw ni Uncle Juan yung karamihan doon. Yeah. So, Fluffy, you're gonna stay here, okay? Good job.
Asan na ba yung sapatos mo?
Ando sa harap.
Dito na tayo sa harap.
Hindi,
Nakaharap. Tignan mo.
Oo nga.
Dito na tayo.
Fluffy, you stay here, okay?
Oo. Nilalagay lang nila sa... May luya pa. Ganda. Yan si Opel, ang daming tanim sa backyard niya kaysa ano niya. Si Fluffy, oh.
Okay guys. You ready, Jake? I think Pacquiao left Fluffy outside. Come here, Pacquiao! Come on. Pacquiao, come here. Oh no. Who peed here? Jake, who pee there? Flappy?
Huh?
Flappy pee there? Oh no. He's outside.
It's bad because there's like bugs in here and it's fun.
Mm. Oh, he peed a lot.
carry that bottle you have, Tito?
Ante, ang dami niyong tanim ah. Grabe yung talong niyo doon. Ang dami nung pagdamunga.
Ang dami, dahil ni Ipon, kanina trope.
Grabe, ang dami nung pag namunga yun. Pacquiao. Let's go, Jake. Dyan. So this is Auntie Beth's house. Beautiful, beautiful. Miming! Dito tayo sa ating home base. Dami pa din. Sinabi mo kay Auntie Beb na ano?
Yeah, he said Santa Ana by Tustin, right?
Aha. Ayan na, umiinit na. Pwede na mag-sand muna.
Magbra na lang.
Pwede mag Kasi pagdating natin dun, wala pa tayo dun. Ang baho na natin. May pawis na.
Aircon naman.
Nag-load na kaya sila?
Ano ha?
Okay guys. Nakita na namin ang kanilang taniman. Dami, mother. Grabe. Pag namunga yun, pwede na tinda sa palengke. Okay.
Pangit ng talong nila doon, kukumba.
Ang gaganda. Kung mabunot na kumaadi ko pag-i-jail na diyan sa rupit lang. Dadak din, basta na.
Orange crunch, crunch, dinosaur. Dinosaurs have great big feet that stomp, stomp, stomp. Dinosaurs have great big teeth that chomp, chomp, chomp. Dinosaurs.
Karabaw. Pwede yung nag-apo Pilipinas na lamuyo. Ang pagdamutin niya.
Dinosaurs have great big feet that stomp, stomp, stomp. Dinosaurs have great big teeth that
Tama
chomp,
man mo sa
chomp, chomp.
lakbayan.